Hey streamers! So we have been getting a lot of questions dealing with our C920 webcam when it comes to multicam streaming. A lot of you have questions about how do I set it up? How do I get to work right? This tutorial will take you through that to enable you to be able to use either OBS or XSplit and stream live with two C920 webcams. So why have a multicam stream? Well, a couple reasons. What if you're showing somebody a game walkthrough and there's specific keystrokes or maybe movements with your mouse that you want to do that enables you to play the game better? Having a multicam on your hands as well as your face brings your audience in and allows them to enjoy that and also learn from you. Maybe you're a creative streamer. You want to show somebody a technique on painting or drawing. Having a camera on your workspace as well as your face allows you to share that with them. Now, it also gives you multiple angles, which allows your stream to really stand out and be different. Maybe you need it for your puppy cam, or your dog cam, or your kid cam, whatever it is on stream that you're inviting your audience to enjoy with you. So if you have the C922 and the Brio, these settings aren't going to apply to you because they work with multi-camera setups right out of the box. So here's the fix. Update drivers to generic USB drivers. Don't worry, generic drivers are much better now, but we'll cover more on that later. Here's what it fixes. You'll be able to adjust settings on all cameras, not just one. Also, you'll be able to avoid potential blue screen of death when using OBS with multiple cameras. All right, and away we go. So Device Manager is going to be your friend if you want to set up your C920 webcam in a multicam setup. To get started on Windows 10, open up your Device Manager. To do that, you hit Windows S and then search Device Manager. Hit Enter. Now, find one of your C920 webcams from the list. They're in the Imaging Devices drop-down folder. Then repeat the following process for each of your C920 cameras. So in your Device Manager list, right-click the C920 and select Properties at the bottom of the menu. A Properties menu for the device will open. In this menu, select the Driver tab. Then select the Update Driver button. Choose Browse My Computer for driver software, then choose Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers at the bottom of the Browse My Computer menu. An Update Drivers menu will then open. Select USB video device from the list, then select the Next button at the bottom right. Don't freak out! Today's standard UVC drivers are perfectly suitable for controlling the settings of a multi-camera streaming while maintaining a stable environment. Logitech drivers were developed before UVC drivers were optimized for webcams. Video quality remains uncompromised. So there, your driver update is complete. You can close the Update Successful window and you'll get a prompt to restart. Now, you could just wait until you've done the update on all your C920 webcams that you have connected to your PC, and then just restart once at the end. Thanks from Logitech, and as always, happy streaming.